Hi, I'm Mundell, Managing Director at Leverage Technologies. Since 2005, we've been helping Australian businesses find and implement the right enterprise resource planning software to grow smart. Today, I'll be talking about 3 things you should be considering when choosing a modern ERP solution for your business. If we look at how enterprise resource planning software has evolved over the years, one thing is clear. The ERP world has changed dramatically. Cloud computing, big data, artificial intelligence, IoT, the possibilities today are endless. Keeping new technologies and opportunities in mind when choosing your ERP solution is key. Here are our top 3 recommendations for choosing a new ERP solution for your business. Number 1. Choose an ERP solution that is fit for purpose. This might sound obvious, but you won't believe how many times we meet businesses that have implemented the wrong ERP solution and are looking to change shortly after. How do you make sure that you choose the right solution? Ensure you document all of your functional requirements with your various teams, including finance, operations, manufacturing, customer service, and reporting, to name a few. This should be done before you start your research process. The requirements list should define your goals and purpose and should guide you through the research and evaluation process. Number 2, choose cloud or on-prem. Look at technology. The team at Leverage Technologies has written several blogs on the subject of cloud ERP versus on-premise. There really is no right or wrong answer here for your business, except to say that more and more companies are moving their ERP solutions to the cloud for all the reasons we already know about: lower costs, scalability, access to computing power, and a more agile environment, ultimately leading to an easier deployment and maintenance of your ERP solution. On the other hand, some businesses still prefer on-premise solutions due to considerations involving security and ongoing cost. Our advice when considering these 2 options is ultimately to factor in all costs associated with an implementation and look beyond 5 years as an ROI structure to truly understand the possibilities one system will give over another. Number 3, data analytics. Many businesses don't realize that large data volumes they produce on a daily basis. What if we could make sense of all of this data in real time to make informed decisions for our businesses? Our advice is to keep data in mind when implementing a new ERP solution. Some aspects to consider include how to collect, sort, analyze, and present this data in the most meaningful way for our various internal and external stakeholders. Your next ERP should be implemented in a way that enables your business with advanced data collection, analysis, and presentation tools to uncover trends, opportunities in your organization. The ERP world is evolving fast, and so should the way you think about and research ERP solutions. Keep our top 3 recommendations in mind when choosing your next ERP. Thanks for joining us, and if you need any help, feel free to get in touch. See you next time.